Hey Scott here. Today I wanted to share with you something I just picked up at my local Menards, and I kind of use the word local loosely because it's like 50 miles away from me, but it's the closest Menards. If you don't know what Menards is, it's like a home improvement store that's very popular around Wisconsin here. So, um, hey, check it out. Here's my new tool chest. All right, let's take a closer look at this thing. Got some paperwork showing the top chest and the bottom chest. This, of course, is just the bottom chest. Key. Some paper. What's this all about? This looks like if you put it on display, you just kind of lock it up. Well, we won't be putting it on display. We're going to be using it. And here, we've got pre-cut drawer liners. Very nice. Here we've got the wheels, the hardware. And a really deep drawer down there. There's those keys. Whoa. Oh, it's really in there. All right. One thing I like about these drawers too is they're pretty smooth, and then when you get close to closing them, they kind of self-close at the end there. A nice feature. Let's see what's in the box. I mean, we know what's in the box. The handlebar, which we may not use because I don't plan on moving this thing around much. But, whew, look at this. Oh, we got chrome wheels, man. We're gonna look sharp for the ladies. And then also we've got the bag of hardware with a really cheap wrench that we will not be using. Oh, that's a 10 millimeter. So here's the bottom. We've got pre-tapped holes here. That's good. So they got the 4 wheels. We got 2 of the locking style, and that pivot, and we've got 2 stationary that don't. So depending on which side you want to put the handle on, and it will determine which side you put the wheels on. Like I said, though, I'm planning on parking this one spot in my garage, and it's not going to move for years to come. So it doesn't really matter to me. There we go, bunch of 10mm, right? Alright, I thought I'd use maybe I can still do it. I'm using by hand. Alright, well, I get these all put in and tightened up, and we'll get back to you. And another way to do this easier, take a couple of 14mm, and you can take this wheel off. And just put it back on. And we'll do it on the other side as well. Now over with these other wheels, you shouldn't need to remove them, because as they pivot out of the way, go. Now we'll do the other one. Alright, so while I have it upside down here, I just want to take time to make a point that everything looks really well finished. I'm sure that's some sort of a not painted, but what's the word I'm thinking of? Powder coated, and it looks like it's, I don't see any bare spots or blank spots or any places where it could rust. So, all right, let's flip it back up. All right, and even looking here at the handle that we're going to put on, you can see it's even powder coated, way up inside. So I think the quality is pretty good. So I'm going to put the handle on this end here with the bolts that it came with, and we got a small band of boys next door playing and stuff, so good summertime fun. And it looks like they gave us one extra bolt. There we go. Fully assembled. Of course I had it upside down, which means the drawer liners inside get messed up a little bit, but we'll straighten that out. Okay, so they're all closed. Here's the key. Make sure that works. Yep, all locked up. Alright, let's go get the top. Alright, so here it is, both pieces together. Those fancy chrome wheels. This piece here, the top piece I got here a couple of days ago. Decided to go back and get the bottom. And so I've already started filling it up, but just to give you a look, we got a top that opens up by itself on the gas shocks. Key as well. Like I said, I already started filling it with stuff. But we've got 2 shallow drawers, 2 slightly deeper drawers, and then 2 full-length drawers that are as deep, looks like, as these. But there it is. There's the Olympia tools. I'll get a model number for you here in a moment. So the 27-inch 5-drawer cabinet. That's just the base. Barcode, if that means anything to you. And the 26-inch 6-drawer top chest. And the barcode, if that means anything to you. So there it is, the latest addition to my shop. And although it was obviously not a very expensive unit compared to others, I'm still satisfied with the quality. I don't see any dents or scratches. So I'm looking forward to filling it up. Alright, thanks for watching.